Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to send Payoneer payment request. Without further ado, let's get started. So first, log in to your Payoneer account. Then on the left side, just click on Get Paid. Then click on Request a Payment. So how do you collect payments for clients? There are two options here, by billing them directly or via marketplace platform. So platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. So let's just click on by billing them directly. Then, who do you need to request payments from? Let's say other businesses. Then the category of your business. So let's say content and translation, for example. Then click on provide details. So you just need to submit some business documents here. For example, in business profile option, click on submit. So here you just have to answer some questions about your business. So here again, for example, category, content, and translation. Then the service that you provide to your clients. Just select the category that fits your service the most. And then what specific service do you provide? So for example, you provide video tutorials. Then the name of your business. So let's just key in trial business here, for example. Then just tell a bit about how your business operates. So you can input those things that you do and other services you provide here. Then just enter your business page URL. To understand this better, as you can see below, there are some ideas here of the websites or the URLs that you can input. So it can be a Facebook page, LinkedIn profile, company's website, and so on. Then what's your connection to the website you provided? So let's say you're working for a small company. So let's select I'm an employee here. Then if you have additional website that you can provide, select yes. If none, just click on no. After that, click on submit. Then you also have to submit an ID here. So just select the ID that you are submitting. You have three options. It can be a driver's license, a passport, or national ID. So for example, if you choose a passport, you can view a sample of the passport image that you should submit here. Then you can drag your files or browse any image from your device. Then click on submit when done. Once there are no problems with the documents you submitted, your payment request will be successfully sent. And that's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thank you and see you on our next video.